Here's a mistake that trips up developers all the time: using inner join when they actually need a left join and losing critical data in the process. Inner join is the strictest type of join. It only returns rows where a match exists in both tables. If a customer has no orders, that customer disappears from your results entirely. Think of it as an intersection, only the overlap survives. A left join takes a different approach. It returns all rows from the left table, even when there's no matching row in the right table. If a customer has no orders, you still see that customer, but the order columns will be NULL. This preserves your complete dataset from the left side. Here's when you choose left join: finding customers who haven't placed any orders yet. You want every customer in your results, and you'll use hereorders.orderIDISNULL to filter for those without matches. This is perfect for identifying inactive users, missing data, or optional relationships. The key difference is how NULLs are handled. Left join produces NULL values for non-matching columns from the right table. You can use callix to provide defaults, or check ISNULL in your here clause to find unmatched rows. Inner join never produces these NULLs because unmatched rows are excluded entirely. Bottom line: use left join when you need all records from the left table, regardless of matches. Inner join when you only want matching pairs. Master this and you'll never lose data accidentally again. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.